IndeeLift's patented human floor lifts are designed to serve three different user segments: home and business, professional healthcare, and emergency medical services. IndeeLift home and business models are ideal for use in homes, adult communities, and senior centers. Two models lift an individual weighing up to 300 or 400 pounds. They safely lift a fallen person from the floor, allowing for fall recovery with or without assistance. Once on the seat, the fallen person is raised to a height of 21 inches where they can stand and walk away, while eliminating the risk of lift-related injuries to the fallen and those who help. In the home, the units can also be self-operated. The fallen simply scoots to the IndeeLift, positions themselves onto the seat, and with the simple press of a button on the wired remote, the fallen is gently raised from the floor to a height of 21 inches in about 60 seconds. Once raised from the floor, they can relax and catch their breath. When ready, they simply stand up from the IndeeLift seat. IndeeLift's professional models utilize medically certified components. Two models support the largest of patients and are designed for use in acute hospitals, skilled nursing, and assisted living facilities. The healthcare professional wheels the IndeeLift to the location of the fallen person. The care provider then assists the fallen onto the beveled seat and presses the up button. Once raised to the height of 21 inches, the care provider can either help them stand back up or can easily transfer them into a wheelchair. IndeeLift for emergency medical services eliminates the manual lifting of even the largest of patients, improving patient care while eliminating lift-related injuries to patients and responders. When the first responders arrive at the scene, they deploy the IndeeLift and proceed to the location of the incident. After normal triage, if the patient only needs to be lifted, the responder assists them onto the seat, then secures the patient to the lift using the waist belt. With the simple press of a button, the patient is smoothly and gently raised to a height of 21 inches in about 1 minute. Once raised to the full height, the patient can be assisted from the IndeeLift seat to a standing position or can be transferred to a wheelchair or gurney. IndeeLift for emergency medical services was also designed for transporting patients when needed. Once the patient has been secured to the lift using the waist and chest belts, the first responder raises the seat to a height of 12 to 14 inches for a proper balance, then gently tilts the IndeeLift rearward. The responder can then use the IndeeLift like a dolly to easily and safely maneuver the patient through enclosed areas, tight spaces, and around corners to an awaiting gurney. Recovering a fallen patient from a bathroom floor can be particularly challenging for a lift team, especially if the bathroom is not ADA compliant. It only takes one responder to wheel the IndeeLift to the patient, where they can easily be recovered and secured to the lift, raised for a proper balance, and then be safely transported out of the bathroom. With the detachable stair transport system, patients can be safely transported down stairwells. Once recovered from the fall and secured to the lift using the waist and chest belts, the stair transport system makes it easy for two responders to transport large and heavy patients downstairs for transfer to an awaiting gurney. With IndeeLift human floor lifts for home and business, professional healthcare, and emergency medical services, manual lifting will soon become a thing of the past.